Okay. So, during this video, we might be able to cause some major pain against these two retards. And trust me, I like hurting people. And so do I. Come on, fatty. Help me. No. There they go, like two penguins. Two cute little penguins kissing and making out, rolling down a damn hill. Oh my gosh.
Actually, get the camera, man.
I'll kill you if you do. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, hurry up, you guys. Go do something. Quit wasting time. This is Jackass. This ain't no Royal Rumble thing. Alright. There's Joe and Tyler, which my finger got in the way of the lens. So again, Joe and the guy, yeah, Tyler and Joe. Tyler and Joe. Now, they're gonna do some Jackass, I guess. You guys! This is Jackass, not Humble Boy! Come on. Come on, you guys, do something. Chop two, chop, chop, chop. Tyler, do something. Besides that, you stupid faggot. Oh, look at them. They're kissing. Aw, they're so cute. Not. If I had a frickin' M80, I'd throw it at them. This is Luigi and Mario. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Get away from the camera before I punch you in the face and give you a mushroom. I think. Ready? Go down the tunnel. Go down the tunnel. Da 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 da. Tickle tickle tickle. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba 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 da. Tickle tickle tickle. Da 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 da. Here comes the other Mario. It's Mario. He's a turtle Mario person. Okay. This is enough. You guys ain't doing what you're supposed to. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Oh my gosh. Stop the video.